Hi there. You can easily delete your Facebook page in your iPhone in almost no time. So watch complete video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's roll. First of all, log into your account. Now go into the bottom right corner. Then click on the pages here. Now all the pages which I am running right now are displayed here. Currently I have only one page. If you have more than one page, they all will display here. So now click on the page which you want to delete. Now click on the top right corner. This is a settings menu. Now click on the general button. Now scroll down. Here you can see two options, remove page and page visibility. If you want to permanently remove the page, you can just permanently delete it. Whereas for the temporarily removing the page, you can just unpublish it by clicking here. But now we are permanently deleting this page, so I'll click on the permanently delete button. Here the message appears that once the page has been deleted, you cannot restore it. So if you are sure that you want to delete it permanently, just click on the delete page button here. Now the page has been deleted. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.